Hello everybody, welcome back to What's Buzzin' at the Bee. Thank you so much for joining us today. We have a lot of new things to show off this morning. First off, we'll start right up front here where we have a lot of our little gifts, and these are perfect things that would work for Mother's Day, so we thought we would show some of them off. We've got some handmade items and some fun little things to make. We've got our homemade, handmade stilettos and seam rippers right here. Beautiful color options here. We've got some shiny, some sparkles, beautiful color range. We've got our handmade necklaces from Grace here, the paper pieced lockets. She's going to have those a little later on Whatnot as well, so we'll mention those again a little later. And then we have our Mother's Day gift card sale. So starting today, we have our buy a $100 gift card, get $20 for free, and that goes up to $500. So you can come on in and grab a gift card. It's the perfect Mother's Day gift. We will also have them online, and it is going through Sunday, so if you need a last minute gift, you can always buy one online and print out the gift certificate. So be sure to come in and ask about these or stop by and get one. They are always a big hit around here, just what every quilting mother needs. So we have those, and then we have, like I said, lots of other things here, some embroidery designs, some mugs, lots of great things for mom. Another thing that we wanted to show off this morning is we redid our whole front area. So starting here, you can see we've got all of our patriotic stuff up front now. So wrapping around here, we've got all of these wonderful new fabrics. We've got some from Wilmington, Henry Glass, and Northcott. Oh, okay, perfect. Looks like we were having some audio issues there, so don't know what that was about. So let me just start over here. I was just showing off all of our Mother's Day items here, all of our little gifty things. So you probably saw me showing these off. We've got our paper piece necklaces, our stilettos, seam rippers that are all handmade. We'll have these a little later on Whatnot. And of course, we have our gift card sale that we have going on. So buy a $100 gift card and get a $20 gift card for free. So perfect Mother's Day gift. Every quilting mom always wants to buy more fabric. So that was my little thing here, talking about all of these this morning. Lots of perfect Mother's Day gifts. So hopefully you can stop by and check some of those out. I was also just about to mention that we redid our whole front area here. So lots of gorgeous patriotic fabrics. We've got Henry Glass. It looks like we've got some Wilmington, Northcott. All of these are brand new collections. And then we wrap around to the side here, and we've got all of these gorgeous patriotic fabrics up front. And then you come to this side when you walk in, and you have this gorgeous display here now. We've got some panels and some inspiration ideas, lots of patterns and pre-cuts, lots of very exciting things. We love how this little entryway turned out this time around. So when you come in, you'll be greeted with a new display. Okay, we did just want to mention really quick also our bag of the month that we have, which is the Stadium bag from Auntie's 2. We do have our new colors now. So we also have it in yellow, and we also have it in an orange. So all of the kits here are labeled what color they are with different little bows. So you'll be able to see and pick and choose which one you want. Another great Mother's Day gift, actually. Okay, and then right here, I just want to show off, we have one last sign up for the Zephyr Block of the month. And we have the finished quilt top in, so we thought we would show it off. So if that looks like something you wanna put together, come on in or give us a call, because we have one left. So come claim it. Okay, and our notion of the week is all types of webbing. So we've got all of these wonderful different types of webbing. We've got glitter webbing, different graphic designs, and all of the Tula webbing, which we have a cute little sample here. Amy and Grace put this together. It's going to be a free pattern. They used the new Tula Pink Roar designs on here, so they stitched out these cute little dinosaurs on here, and they used some of the Tula Pink webbing to go with the bag. So that is very cool. Definitely come check that out and get your pattern. And yeah, all of the webbing will be 20% off, so perfect timing. We also have our kit of the week, and this week we decided instead of a quilt, we were going to do a bag kit. So this week it's going to be the Patchy Tote. We have it in two different colorways. We have the Capri with the Ruby Star outside. It's this very cute little patchwork pocket here. We have some fusible fleece to give it a little bit more structure. We did some beautiful quilting on it just to give it that really cool, trendy quilted vibe. And then it's got a little pocket on the inside, very summery, very beachy. And then we also have it in the Periwinkle collection, which is more of these brighter orange, pinks, and sort of lavender colors. So again, very, very trendy. And it's got that beautiful patchwork pocket. So these will also be 20% off now for the rest of the week. So definitely stop by and grab one of those. It's the perfect summer beach bag or a picnic bag, whatever you so choose. Okay, and now getting into more fabric, we have a new collection here from Moda, designed by the Create Joy project. This one is called Coming Up Roses. We've got her signature sort of watercolor look. And there are lots of prints in this collection. So lots of colors, lots of different colorways of each print to choose from. And there is a rayon in this collection as well. So this main floral that you see is actually a rayon. So if you wanted to do a beautiful sort of dress or coverlet, it would be a perfect little poolside project. And all of these gorgeous, gorgeous florals. So we are very excited about this collection. It's just right up front here. We've got all of the pre-cuts for it as well. Okay, and looping back around over here, we have some basics that we thought we would just show off. We restocked on all of the grunge here, so you can see we've got some new colors in. That will just be right around the table here, so we'll just put it back to color. But that is always very exciting. We also, after our batik sale, had a little bit more room, so we filled in with some new batiks. So I've got some beautiful new colors and prints to show off just right on the end here. And then of course it's all just by color, so they're just mixed in here. Okay, and since we moved all of the patriotic stuff up front, we did a little swap. So now we've got more of our florals extended into this side. So all throughout this little aisle right here, we've got all the rest of our florals. It flows perfectly from our little flower pot section here down, and it just extends all the way. So now we have a nice little long aisle of all of our florals. A couple other new lines to show you. Just right here, we've got these first two boxes. This is a new collection from Wilmington. This one is called Gnome Can Patch. So of course we've got these adorable little gnomes, and they're just doing their harvesting. So we've got some pumpkins and apples, very fall-like, and there's a panel that goes along with this one. this one right here. We've got the little gnomes on here with their tree, putting their little tags on there with different little words. I think these ones turned out very cute, and the colors are absolutely gorgeous in this one as well. And then another new line we've got right down here. This one is called Pilgrim Autumn. Very cute little quirky line from QT. Got different little mice dressed up as pilgrims, and some other little fall blenders. Those acorns are so cute. And then here, there's also another panel. We've got this one here. It says Give Thanks. We've got these fun little wacky characters on here as well. The cute little mice, that fun turkey. Very playful, be a cute little wall hanging or table runner or something. Be really fun with that one. So, and as you can see, we've kind of extended kind of our fall stuff to right here. So we're eventually going to start moving it over, and it's going to start being fall and Halloween. So we'll keep you updated on that as well. Okay, moving on over here. We have a short little thing to show off, just a panel and a bolt of fabric. So this is a new panel from Hoffman. It's a really cool sort of outdoor scene with a little cabin on a lake with the winter trees. You've got the snow and the fire going, very serene. And there is a little bolt here that goes with it, a little fabric. It's just some of those winter trees. So you could pair it with this, maybe give it a couple little borders. It would be the perfect little cabin quilt. That one is very fun, so we thought we would show that off. Okay, and then moving up to this counter, we've got a lot going on here, so I'm going to kind of take off the layers. This is called Illuminations from Northcott. It's a beautiful sort of polar winter theme with these polar bears on here. They did a gorgeous job of sort of mixing that watercolor look with more of the natural rock look for this collection. Beautiful colors, very vivid purples and blues. So that's the panel, and we've got all of the fabric here. We've got all of the bolts spread throughout. We've got this gorgeous border print with those polar bears, and then all sorts of blenders, again, beautiful watercolors with that sort of natural rock Stonehenge that they are known for, and some more polar bears. And then we've got this gorgeous 108, this extra wide here, that has an ombre effect to it as well. So it goes from the light to dark here. It's a little hard to see unless you open it all up, so you'll definitely have to come in and check it out. But this on the back of a quilt for that would be beautiful. We've also done some of these where we do it just kind of more of like a whole cloth quilt, have this as the front, and then do some really neat quilting, just outlining all of this gorgeous design. So that's always kind of a good idea if you need like a quick project to do something like that as well. Okay, well that comes to the end of our little tour for today. Just a couple things I'll mention again. We are doing our gift card sale for Mother's Day, so that starts today. So it'll be for every $100 you get, you will get $20 for free, and that will go up to $500 per person. So if you have a quilty mom or somebody who loves to craft, the gift cards are good for classes as well. So that is kind of a perfect gift for anyone who loves to sew. We We've also got some lots of fun little notions that you could pick up as well. Lots of handmade things this time around also. Grace and Kate are going to be on Whatnot a little later with their creations. Grace is going to have some things that you can purchase. She's got her paper pieced pendants and some other patterns and things, so definitely watch that later. That's going to be really great and really fun to check out. I think she's also got some fun little kits to do as well. So perfect Mother's Day item, or just pop in for some fun with Grace and Kate. And yeah, we've got, like I said, our notion of the week is webbing, kit of the week is the patchy tote. And yeah, I think that is it for today. Definitely, like I said, go check out Grace and Kate on Whatnot later. That's going to be super fun. And yeah, don't forget about the gift cards. They are online as well. So thank you so much, everybody, for watching, and we hope you have a wonderful rest of your week, and happy Mother's Day.